Hi, boys and girls. We are on the 4th day of our math lessons, and you have been doing a great job with following along with me. So go ahead and put your name at the top of your paper, and let's get started. Today we're going to do the numbers 7 and 8, and it's really important that we review how to write our numbers so that it makes math a little bit easier. We can focus on what we're learning in math instead of having to remember how to write our numbers. So, 7s go across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. So we go across the top line and go on a slant all the way to the bottom line. So across the top and slant down. Across the top, slant down. Across the top, slant down. Across the top and slant down. Now we're going to circle the number 7s that we see. So we put an X to the first one because that's not a 7. This is a 7. That's not a 7. Not a 7. Not a 7. Not a 7. Yep, that's a 7. That's a 7. That's a 7. That's a 7. Ooh, we had 4 in a row. This is not a 7. Not a 7. Okay, now we're going to come over to the 10 frame and draw 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I see the top row filled, I don't have to count each one because I already know that that's 5. So 5, 6, 7. So we have 3 extra spaces and we know that is 7. Now let's color or circle 7 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And draw a circle around them. And I know that I have 3 extra. Okay, now we write the numbers that come before. So if I have 7 and I'm looking at the number line, what number is going to come before? It's going to be 6. So 6, 7, then what? 8. Now let's write the number word for 7. S, E, V, E, N. 7. Okay. So you should have all of the 7s done. And we're going to turn it over and we're going to do the next number on the back, which is what number comes after 7? We have 8. So 8 starts on the top line. It goes like this. Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. So let's keep trying those 8s. 8. And 8. Good. All right, let's circle all of the 8s that we see. 1. Nope. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. 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 Now, when I'm making the 10 frame, I don't have to count the top row because I know that I'm going to use 5. So we fill in the top row with dots because that's going to be 5 and 8 is bigger than 5. But now we can keep counting. So we know we have 5. Let's keep counting. 6, 7, 8. Looks like we've almost got it because we only have 2 more boxes left. So I'm going to circle all these pencils. How many pencils do you think I'm not going to circle? Yeah, I'm not going to circle 2, just like empty boxes in the top. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And how many did we have left over? 2. Just like we thought we would. Okay. So what number comes before 8? We just did it on the other side. 7. Good. And then after 8 comes a number we're going to do tomorrow. It's 9. Good job. Now let's write the word for 8. E-I-G-H-T. All right, boys and girls, great job doing those numbers today. Very good. So go ahead and turn this into your teacher and then do what it is that your teacher has asked you to do next.